Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to create a multi-boot USB using Ventoy in Linux and macOS. So download the latest version of Ventoy for Linux and macOS from this website link. Here it is. On the top you will be finding the latest version. Scroll down and download this linux.tar.gz file. Here it is. Open it up. Open this dot folder and extract this Ventoy folder here. Close it and now launch the terminal, and inside the terminal just type cd space, drag and drop this folder and press enter. Now connect your USB pen drive and now execute one of these commands to check what is the drive letter of that USB. Press enter, enter your user password and press enter. Now it will list the drive letter of your USB and it's right here, dev SDC. It's my 32 gigabytes of pen drive. So you have to use this in place of these commands everywhere. Now let me clear the screen and execute this command. Press enter. Now here you have to choose any one of commands. It is preferred to use MBR style because it will work for both MBR and GPT type of disks and BIOS. As you can see that my pendrive name is Ventoy, so I already have installed Ventoy on it. So it will be a force install for me, but it will not be a force install for you because you are installing it for the first time. So you will be executing this command and I will be executing this command. So let me drag and drop and make sure you put the right drive letter here. And it will format this drive, so make sure there's no data on it and you have a backup of it. Now press enter. So it is showing this error. Let's execute the command again, and same we have again. So it is saying permission denied. What we have to do is execute this command again. All right, press enter. Now execute this command, this one, and press enter. Now you can see that it is working. You just have to execute these commands more than 2 times and it will work. Now just type Y, it will delete all of the data. Press enter. Now type Y again and press enter. Now it is creating the partitions, writing data to the disk, and Ventoy has been successfully installed. Let us check the information of the disk. Type the right name and press enter. And here it shows the Ventoy version on the disk. Now start copying the ISO files to the drive. Let me open the disk Ventoy. It's empty. And here are my ISO files. Let me select them. So I'll be showing you by copying these 3 files. Copy them to the Ventoy disk. Let them copy. Files have been successfully copied. Now you need to make sure that you have secure boot disabled in the BIOS settings. If you don't know how to do that, please watch the video in the description. And let us reboot our machine now. USB pen drive attached here, and let's boot up. Make sure to check the description for boot keys. And here it is listed, this one, my SanDisk pen drive. Press enter to boot it up. And here it is, Ventoy. I have added these 3 ISOs into it. Let us boot quickly one of these. One boot, easy use partition master. Press enter. Now it is booting up. You can see, right? And here you see that it has got successfully booted up. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.